In Microsoft Word, I am going to type hi, how are you? And suppose if you want to underline everything, then you must go to your, first of all you must select this hi, how are you? And after that you can simply click this control key and this U key. These two keys at the same time. So if you press this control key and this U key, these two keys at the same time, then you can see that everything have been underlined. That is how are you have been underlined here. Suppose if you want to underline words but not space, then you must use the keyboard shortcut Control Shift W. That is, if I am going to show you, this is how are you is here. And suppose if I want to underline words but not spaces, then you can simply, first of all you must press this control key and U key. You can see that the underline have been removed here. The next step is you must Control Shift W. That is, this is the control key. I press the control key, I press the shift key, I press the W key. These three keys at the same time, then you can see that hi, how are you? That is underline words but not spaces. These spaces are not underlined here. For more videos like this, you can subscribe. Thank you.